Hey guys, how are you all? I'm Aishwarya and welcome back to Jazzy Jewels. So today I have made a tutorial of these beautiful silk thread earrings using the combination of silk thread and kundan beads, which is looking very amazing. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial. And now without wasting time, let's get started. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press that subscribe button and the bell icon for the further notifications. So the material required is sheet of plastic, then rectangular kundan, eye pins, stud, silk thread which is main material, cutter, plier and Fevibond glue. So first of all we will make square of kundan. For the same I am taking this plastic sheet and see if you can see these kundans are in rectangular shape, so we need to have some trick to make a square out of them. So for the same what we'll do is I'm taking this, applying this Fevibond glue to one end, do watch carefully how I am making square, because we are not just simply adding kundans one by one. So first of all I will add it like this in straight line here. Then I'll add one more one here. Then next to it I will add two again straight lines. Now in the middle we will add two. One and two. And lastly we'll add it here. Okay, so as you can see we have formed a square of kundans. Similarly we have to make two, as it is have two kundans, two squares of kundans. So I'll make another one here. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video. Okay, so as you can see we have formed kundans of squares, and we'll keep them for drying for at least 5 minutes and then we will cut them. So this is almost dried up. Now we'll cut it properly. Okay, so we have cut the silk properly. Now we will attach silk thread to that for the same, I'm taking this bottle as an instrument, and this may not be the silk thread, but you can use any thread. I'm wrapping this here. I will count till 25. So I have done 5 already. Okay, so I have made 25 rounds, and I'll cut this thread. And from this section also have a cut. Now we'll add this here to any side of a square. To back side of skirt, take any square of kundan. Add sufficient glue to make sure that it will stick properly, and spread it here. Now again we will take 25. If you are enjoying my technique till now, do hit the like button. And cut it from here. And add this to this side horizontally. So never try to make this in one round, that is, don't move this one like full, because it may not look good, and also at here there will be a big hole, like what we can say, big side, which won't look good at all. So always try to do it in 2 ways, like take 2 sections and then divide this one. Okay, and now what we'll do is we'll add back finishing to this. So for the same, I'll again add a glue here. We have to add lots of glue to make sure that it is sticking very properly. And I'm taking this designer sheet which I'll be applying here, and make sure that this is placing correctly here, because we are going to have a square, otherwise it may seem visible from front side also, so we don't have to do that. And now take one jump ring, take one eye pin, and apply again sufficient glue to this one, and keep this eye pin straight. This is to attach our main this stud to this dangle. And again take one bigger decorative sheet and keep it like this. I'm not adding it along with the threads, because I want to make sure that it will stick properly, and also it will have a proper support, because if these ones get removed or get fallen away, the earring will get damaged, and we don't want to do that. So do it in this way. Now we will keep this one for drying, and maybe for half an hour, and then because this will take time to stick, and then we will just simply attach these both of them. So for this I'll cut this jumping in half, and I will insert one stud in a decorative sheet. Again I'll apply sufficient glue because we have to attach metal to this sheet, and keep this jumping in one angle of keep this eye pin in one angle of the square, because we have to attach it in this way and not in from the inside. And now apply add this decorative sheet and stud here. So we'll keep this for drying for at least half an hour. In the middle, like after 5 to 10 minutes, you can also check and press them firmly to make sure that they are getting sticked very correctly. So we will join both of them after half an hour. So this has dried up and see, it is looking very beautiful. Now we will just attach this, but before this I think we need to cut extra part of this, because see, you can see it is coming out. So we'll cut them. Okay, so see, we have cut this, and now with the help of plier I'll open this, I think, and I'll attach this to this side. Let's close this one. So don't you think this is very simple and it looks so beautiful? So this is our first earring, and here comes another earring.
Our earrings are ready. So you try this design and also try to make it in other color and other type of kundans. Keep doing various experiments on jewelry designing, and also let me know in the comments below how was your experience while making this beautiful earring. Keep smiling, keep jewelry designing. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.